Have you been thinking about selling your Boca or Delray home because of how hot the market has been the last few months?
Well, markets change and we're starting to see a slowdown in the frenzy.
So now that homes are starting to sit on the market longer than a day, you have to ask yourself, how much should I list my home for?
We're here to tell you that there's a science behind it.
And well, this is the internet, so you know you can trust the science.
Hey everyone, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Alex Mendel with the Mendel Group. Today, we're showing you the science behind determining your home's list price.
When pricing your home correctly, there are 3 big factors that come into play.
First, let's start with the location of your home. How close are you to busy streets?
Is your home in a cul-de-sac?
What school district is it in?
Is it close to parks, restaurants, and amenities?
Next, we have condition. Is your home upgraded? Is it modern?
Do you have smelly old carpet or is it upgraded tile?
What's the landscaping situation like?
And since we're in Florida, does it have a pool?
And third, we have size.
Because we all know size matters.
You can't compare a 2,000 square foot home to a 4,000 square foot home.
In most cases, appraisers like to go anywhere from about a 200 to 400 square foot difference, both higher or lower, to use as comparables when determining pricing.
What happened?
I think we're forgetting something.
That's right. We need the final ingredient. Agents you hire with years of experience and negotiation skills.
You need realtors that use the right marketing skills to expose your home to the masses through disruptive digital marketing strategies.
Gets hundreds and hundreds of watch time on every video they post.
And thousands of engagements on every property they list.
So when you combine all these ingredients together, you get an explosion of green in your pocket.
If you're thinking about selling your home,
make sure you click Learn More down below to get your free home seller's guide.
Again, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Alex Mendel with the Mendel Group at eXp Realty.
And we are the key to your next home.